So new year, we are pretty much preparing the trailer for next year, and we're gonna put on the new Drift Academy livery. However, removing the old livery is not fun, and live with all these glues, and it's real hard to get it off, and real thick, real sticky. So before we apply the new vinyl, so ideally we want to remove all the glue that's on the trailer. And I've been using CRC Peel Off. It's a real good product. I'll just show you quickly. So really I'm just using a scraper and the spray and all these black stuff. As you can see, it's like real sticky glues from the old vinyl. And this is what I've been just spraying and scraping real quickly. I'm just gonna spray the peel off real quick onto the trailer. And as you can see how much will come off. So I'll give it a spray and wait for like 10-20 seconds. And because it's such a hot day, it dries real quick. Sometimes I just give it another quick spray. So I'm doing quite a big patch as well. This trailer is massive, so I'm doing a big patch. So I'm gonna start scraping from this side. I'll just make sure it hasn't dried out. Look at that, all that glue. So I'm just gonna wipe the glue off. And as you can see, it's a lot thinner. Just a little bit glue left from not perfect scraper. It's plastic, so leave these marks. So now I'm gonna remove this part here. As you guys can see, the whole thing comes off.